As the Atlantic hurricane season reaches its annual climax, the potential formation of Tropical Storm Gabrielle looms on the horizon, possibly impacting the Lesser Antilles next week. The uncertainty surrounding Gabrielle's development and path highlights the unpredictable nature of tropical storms and underscores the importance of preparedness. A cluster of thunderstorms, designated as Invest 91L, is currently traversing westward from the Cabo Verde Islands, approximately 1,800 miles east of the Lesser Antilles. These storm clusters often serve as the initial stages of tropical storms during hurricane season, warranting close monitoring. Over the next few days, this system will face challenges such as dry air and wind shear in the eastern Atlantic. However, the National Hurricane Center predicts that it might undergo gradual development, potentially becoming Tropical Storm Gabrielle by this weekend or early next week. But here's where it gets controversial. The Caribbean region is on high alert as forecast models suggest that Gabrielle could make landfall or at least brush past parts of the Lesser Antilles by next Thursday, September 11th. This scenario becomes more likely if the storm remains weak and tracks further south. Yet, some models predict that Gabrielle could veer north of the Leeward Islands instead. For now, residents of the Lesser Antilles should remain vigilant and keep an eye on the system's progress. And this is the part most people miss. Beyond its potential impact on the Lesser Antilles, Gabrielle's future path remains uncertain. It could either curve northward into the southwest Atlantic or continue westward into the Caribbean. At present, there is no direct threat to the U.S. coast from Gabrielle, but this could change as the storm progresses. Stay tuned for updates on Gabrielle's development and track at weather.com. More activity is anticipated in the Atlantic basin through September, with conditions becoming increasingly favorable for tropical development. Historically, about 70% of the hurricane season's activity occurs from September onwards. With only 6 storms and 1 hurricane so far this season, we've been relatively lucky. However, it's crucial to prepare hurricane plans now while conditions are calm, before a hurricane strikes. Jonathan Erdman, a senior meteorologist at weather.com, encourages everyone to stay informed and ready. Follow him on Blue Sky, X, formerly Twitter, and Facebook for the latest updates.